Hello YouTube. Once again, this is the Housewife for Life, Tanya Gibson Smith, coming to you here. I wanted to upload a video for you guys just to show you how to create an ad or a campaign for your business. As you can see here, I have 3 campaigns already listed. I've got Motor Club of America, MCA 2018. I've got Work From Home Housewife, Prophetic Touch Housewife, and then I've got the best web hosting with a free domain. So now all 3 of these have different links. Here is Bluehost, which is an affiliate program. Here is my own personal website. Here is TBC Marketing, which is a business that I am an associate with. I am a MCA Motor Club of America representative. So here you want to go to Google AdWords, open an account, and since I'm already logged in, then you know I have to move right along. But here is my information over on the right hand side of the corner. Moving on over, you see all 3 of these are in the green, which is here. They're all 3 enabled. What I want to show you is how to create an ad for an affiliate program, okay? Because I am an affiliate with a few different companies. And what we're going to do right now is create an ad for one of those affiliates, right? So we're just going to click on create ad. I don't want to get calls because I want the traffic to go straight to the company itself. I don't want to get visits. I don't have a physical location. I want website sales or signups. Now, remember, you are targeting your traffic to a affiliate website. So you want to pick this goal, okay? After you pick this goal, it's going to direct you then to what business do you want to advertise. In my case, I've already got 2 businesses listed. I'm going to add a new business, right? And I'm going to label this one Alidropship. I'll put affiliate right here, just to kind of keep that clear. Okay, and then my website address. I think, let me see here. I think I already, nope. Optimized hosting for WordPress. Okay, let me click over here. Let's get that URL. And again, guys, this is an affiliate program, Alidropship affiliates. You should check that out for some extra cash at home. Here's my affiliate link. We're going to go next. And then we want to set up the radius for the business. Do we want it to be local, or do we want it far out, or, you know, you can take this little cursor and move it to set your radius. I said, I don't want to do South Carolina. I want to do United States, right? Because when you can do the United States, then you are reaching everyone. Let me see, did it? No. Let's type that in again. United States. Let's go right here and click on it. Normally, the entire United States will light up. Am I doing something? Let's see here. Here we go. I'm sorry. This is the radius around your business, and this one is the setup for specific areas. So guys, don't miss that. This is local and this is abroad. So here you have the United States lit up because this is a affiliate link that will reach. People don't have to talk to me or see me. Okay, here. Well, what is the business category? It's a dropship business. Okay, so they've already given us some keywords. We want to say drop shipping, drop ship, drop shippers. And now I want to add my own. I'm going to say affiliate. I'm sorry, I left out. Affiliate, associate, and then maybe drop ship. Let's see here. I'm just winging it, guys. Let's see. Drop ship website. There we go. Okay. And then let's go next. Now we're ready to create our campaign. Again, you see the affiliate site is listed already in the ad. Here, I want to say Alidropship Alidropship affiliates. Okay. On the second line, I'll say start your business. I'm just running over my words. Okay, let's capitalize that. Start your business today. Okay, I want to do an exclamation mark, and then I'll say start your business today. Website created. Let's take this out. Gotta watch our words. Start your business today. Let's say start your, okay, hold on, because you only get 30 words here, 30 letters here, so, or 30 spaces. So start your dropship web. Am I okay? Start your dropship website now. No, I can't even do now. Well, I guess that'd be good enough. Alidropship affiliates. Okay. Now for the description. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Since I am an affiliate, I'll go here. I had already grabbed some description here. I'm gonna copy it and paste it over here in the description. We got a little more room to play with over here, but still went over. Okay, I'm gonna take it all the way down till we get to the 80, because even 1 or 2 sentences is good enough. Start your own dropship business in just a few steps. There we go. Okay, so now you have to have Alidropship affiliates, start your dropship website, or I'm going to say business, since we have the word business in our description. We don't want to be too far away from that. So start your dropship business, right? Start your own dropshipping business in just a few steps. Okay. And then there's my website, and then we go next. Okay, guys, now is the fun part because we really get to set our budget, how much we're going to spend a day, how much it's going to be a month. You see how it fluctuates, it goes up and down. Your estimated performance is going to move up and down with the price as the month and the day goes up. So I'm going to, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to stop it here at $50 a month. I'll be spending like $1.64 a day. Okay, I'll get 37 to 76 views, maybe 14 clicks a month. I'll change that along the way. You can change it anytime you get ready, but I'm just going to leave it right here for now, and then we'll go to next. Okay, here's an overview, right? We've got Alidropship affiliates. We've got our estimated performance, okay? We've got our location, which is the United States. Here's our ad, Alidropship affiliates. Start your dropship business, start your dropshipping business in just in just a few steps. And it really is just 2 steps. And I'll leave the link to that, to this video or to my dropshipping site in the description below so that you guys can have access to it as well. Here's the budget. Now we'll go next. Oh, I'm sorry, I skipped over product or service. We've got our keywords and everything was listed there. Okay, now here we are back to our ad page. Here is what the campaign was built for, Alidropship affiliates. Here is our ad, and here's an overview. Here's the impressions, the clicks, and the amount spent. Okay, it's going to be really really quick, you know. You're going to look at your ads and it's just going to explode. I'm going to give you a little overview of my Motor Club of America. You see down here my impressions are 962 just in a few days. Only spent $9.40 so far. So guys, that's it. Back to the front board. Just wanted to give you an idea of how to create your own ads. Once again, Motor Club of America, Housewife blog, Bluehost for websites, an affiliate group, and then here is Alidropship, an affiliate group. All right. Well, God bless you all, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye now.